That's a steal for Dylan Brooks.
Belang sa belang.
Numbers. Again, the extra pass as Brooks was bumped. He will take 2 more.
The basket of the game. As much as you're willing to dish it, then you have to be able to take it as well. Nice find here, coming from Dylan Brooks. Again, the return pass in the open court. Turnover points always so essential. We've seen that from Serbia, especially in the game against Lithuania. Fast break scoring, turnover point scoring, transition lanes.
Ooh.
Second personal foul of Roma. Brooks, here's the after missing that first free throw. And this will be key. This will not change in the entire ball game.
And I think it's used to it
And
now.
he prefers it actually, Coach Ronnie. 34 to 30, a 4-point lead now for Canada.
Just embrace that road to the hill. And he's been awarded a major contract coming from the Eastern Rockets, by the way.
Uwi na nagsiga.
Would have been fouled there, but he makes the shot anyway. That's the big man coming off the bench.
No rotation, excellent.
Ako na rin pa siga.
Good two-man game execution for Slovenia.
So that's the
Ah.
third foul. Sorry, fourth foul now in the quarter.
Ko no.
Just the final few seconds of the first quarter.
That's long enough for him. But the more important part is when he has returned, they are only behind
Yeah,
by a
taxi, yeah.
single possession.
Well pointed out, Coach Ronnie, as privilege lifted them definitely.
Wala ba tere guro ah.
Oh, major factor. Took the privilege. Right.
In 7 minutes.
74 points scored so far here in the World Cup heading to this match. On
Bayan lang
20
siya.
out of 29 shooting from the 3-point.
Dort lost his grip on the basketball, sends it out to SGA. Still a lot of time remaining in their shot clock though. It now stands at 5. Dylan Brooks with a flyby. 3-point shot is short. Nikolic with the basket. Will remain at 20.
Nikolic has accounted for 37 points and 17 assists. Heading into this quarter-final matchup.
As you noted the importance of fast break points, it's now 7-0 in favor of Canada.
Right. Defense is the name of the game for the white shirts.
Lugas, mama.
As they choke the offensive spree.
Tata.
The last quarter after being behind 73-61. Heading to the fourth quarter of that epic matchup.
Tawgas mama. Tawga. Tawga na si mama.
But that's another
Mama.
defensive ploy coming from
Nga.
Canada. They sent the double team to run out of Luka Doncic.
And I don't think a single scheme against Luka will work. He has to see different versions of defensive schemes and force him to make mistakes.
We've seen them trap, we've seen them switch on, and now the double after the first triple.
Because if you give him so much time to scan the floor, he'll hurt you in terms of finding his open teammates.
Luka trying to carve out space down low, trying to fit for a foul. Referee telling him. And that will officially be the first warning against Coaching staff of Slovenia.
I saw that in the game against the game like Italy against the Dominican or the Dominican Republic. Ang bilis. Ang bilis na tumigo, talagang tutututin ka.
Wrestling back between Luka and Dylan. They will run out of time. Luka releases. Could not bang it home, but they get the ball back. Luka now against Tawa again. The double team. They forcing Luka to find a teammate, and that 3-point shot somehow falls for Nikolic.
That's the way they started the first quarter, and it has not stopped since. That will be 3-point basket number 8, 12 attempts for 67%. Meanwhile, that will be assist number 3 for Luka Doncic.
Alexander Walker takes it strong to the hoop. He backs it home for 2. And this play of the quarter was brought to you by Maxis Sarap to the ball.
Now a 30-point performance against the defending champions with the throw. Talking about Spain. Alexander now first quarter cross number 2 goes to Central.
Collision between Luka and Dylan.
And will not be the last.